Hey, what's up guys? Shreddy's Universe here, back with another video. Today we'll learn to make a desk. For this, our basic item will be a matchbox. Let's remove the inner part, it's a waste. Now we'll use this as a base and let's cut our top part from the cardboard. There you have it. Now we'll measure it if it's, double the size of the matchbox. It works that way. Let's cut off the extra part. Now there we have it, our top. Now let's use a page from our drawing notebook. This we will use to cover our base, that is the matchbox, so that we can cover it. Just like that. Stick it one side then the other. Apply glue on all sides, then roll it up. Just like that. Apply more glue, cover it up, then cut out the extra part, leaving a little space to stick it even more. Just like that. There we have it. Looks good, eh? Now let's put our top. As you can see, the top is like a bit wider, so let's cut off the width to the size of the matchbox. Just like that. The width will be equivalent to the height of the matchbox. We remove the extra part. Now we have a good enough size for the top. Now we'll make a front. For that we'll cut same width but a lesser height from the cardboard. Now we have our front part, so that our table looks a little more attractive. This is the base. Now we'll cover both the front part and the top part using drawing sheets. Just like that. Cut it out, stick it, cut the extra part. Let's cut more drawing sheet. We are running out of it. Now stick it to the other side so that we can color it. Just like that. Now let's stick drawing paper to the top part. Just like that. Yes, nice and easy. So there we have it, 3 main ingredients of our table. Now we have to be very careful while placing the base on the top. We apply glue to the base and then put it on top, then press it. Now we apply glue to the front part of the base, just like that, and stick the front part. Yes, press it harder so that it remains constant, and leave it to dry it up. Now we are going to apply brown paint, mix some color. I use color paint for that, so that it gets a sun mica effect. Just like that. Let's color it all up. Yes, there we have it. Now we are going to color the top part. For that we'll use black water paint, but in raw form, no water mixed. Just like that. Keep on painting. Some finishing touches. That's it. We have a table. Now some highlight to the front part. Up and down. A little on the sides. Just like that. There we have it, our desk. Now we have a desk and a stool set. Now we have a vintage G.I. Joe figure there, which looks good. Now a modern Marvel Universe figure, which also looks good. This is how it looks from front. Not too bad, So that's it for today. And just like the previous video, use 75% more measurements for 1:12 scale figures, that is 6 inch, and subscribe for upcoming projects like base walls and prison cells.